In this video, you'll learn how to turn off comments in Notion. Start by opening the page where you want to disable comments. Click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the page settings. From the menu, select Customize Page. Here you'll see an option called Page Discussions. By default, this option is turned on, allowing people to leave comments on the page. To disable it, simply turn off Page Discussions. Once you do that, all existing comments will be hidden and no new comments can be added. This is useful when you want to keep a page clean or make it view-only without any discussions. If you change your mind, you can easily enable it again. Just return to the same menu, turn Page Discussions back on, and all comments will reappear exactly as before. This gives you full control over how others interact with your Notion pages, making it perfect for team projects, personal notes, or shared documents. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and check out more Notion tips on this channel.